Hey guys, so today I want to, not today, I mean, yesterday I brought this Jack Skellington airborne inflatable from Walgreens on clearance. We have another one over there, which one of these are going to be sent to my brother, Nick, so we can have it in his house or outside. I think he's living in the hotel, I think, so he might rather put it inside. So yeah, it's just the Jack Skellington Pumpkin Airborne Inflatable. And here you got the Gemmy logo, 2018. So yeah, I guess I'll just lay the camera right here so you guys can see me opening it. And yeah, see what's inside. We got the instructions. We got the entire inflatable itself. We got the stakes, the yard stakes. And we have an adapter, which is right here. Alright, so, yeah, let's set this thing up. So, let's get this inflatable out first. Here it is. If I can find the blower. It's right here, okay. Looks like it's on the back side, so yeah, we can go ahead and plug this in. The adapter. Yeah, this might be right. So yeah, this might be the backside inflatable. Yeah, this must be it, so. Yeah, this has to be forward, so. Alright, let's go ahead and just plug this in. Alright. Yeah, so this is gonna be the front right there. And I guess these are the parts where the inflatable plugs in, so like the LEDs should be. So yep, let's plug this thing in. There we go. See what it looks like. Wow, it does inflate in seconds. Yep, forwards, I'm right. Wait. Oh, it's upside down. Yep, there we go, I got it. It's looking good. Oh, it looks amazing. Has this gray stem. Has the black on the back. It's Jack's face. Looks like you can roll it like rolling a ball. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. It should be great for my brother. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Cool item. And well, we might use this for outdoors next Halloween. Especially that doorbell. Yep, that is the LED plugging. So, yep. Hey guys for watching. See you later.